today we are opening a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this one you can normally find it at Walmart or any store, Best Buy, what else? Target, any store that sells electronics, basically. So we are going to be unboxing this and we're going to try out some new features. As you can see, the box has never been opened. Barely bought it. So let's give it a try. So first we're going to take off this blue thing, the safety strip, and it is pretty easy to open. You don't need a blade or nothing special to open it. As you can see, let's see what the magic takes us. Ooh, I guess, does it slide down? So here it is. After 1 minute of taking them down. So it looks pretty neat. Pretty clean, if you tell me. Ooh. It comes with a turtle. As well, you could put on your dash cam. It could be a good dash cam as well. And that's good. So the instructions are right here, as you could see. So let's open this side. Comes with a manual. That's great. Damage replacement. Let me see what else. So if you guys ever need help, here are the pages as well, which I don't know if they're French or any other language, which I cannot read, but it says GoPro. And here's the little stickers you have for your GoPro. And here you go. This is it. It's the guide. This is the little pocket for that. I want to say, oh, you could put it on you could put it on anything, just as long as you remove the glue. But we're not going to do that today because we're not setting it up on a car. We're going to do this for another video. And here's your USB. This is the battery, so you guys could charge it anything you want. Here is the cable. It's a USB-C, type C. You can find this anywhere, which is pretty good. Yeah, so it's gonna wait for you at an adventure. Let's see what else you have right here. And that is pretty much it, uncovering the GoPro.